Cutting to the chase, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, cutting to the chase. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to explore everything about this phrase. Stay tuned. The phrase, cutting to the chase, is an idiomatic expression used to suggest that one should skip over unnecessary details and get to the point. It's often used in conversations where someone is providing too much background information, and the listener wants to hear the main point or the conclusion without all the extras. Interestingly, the origin of cutting to the chase comes from early silent films. Back in those days, movies often had long, drawn-out scenes that built up to a thrilling chase scene toward the end. Audiences were mostly waiting for these exciting parts. So, the phrase became a way for people to express their desire to skip to the best part without sitting through the build-up. You can use this phrase in various situations. For instance, if you're in a meeting and someone is giving a long-winded explanation, you might say, "Can we cut to the chase?" to indicate you'd like to hear the main points. It's a handy phrase to steer conversations back on track or to signal that you're looking for a summary rather than a detailed discourse. Let's look at some examples to see how cutting to the chase can be used in sentences. I know you have a lot to tell me, but can we cut to the chase? What was the final decision? After a lengthy introduction, the speaker finally cut to the chase and revealed the new product. Let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue at hand. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be effectively used to focus on the essential part of a discussion or narrative. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, cutting to the chase. We hope this video has enlightened you on how to use this expression to communicate more efficiently and get straight to the point in your conversations. Remember, English is full of interesting idioms like this, and mastering them can really add color to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.